We're here with Sprunki 2013 version. So this came out when I was a baby, basically, when I was one. Wow. Can't wait to see the version of Sprunki that was made when I was still learning how to walk. I remember it like it was yesterday for some reason. This project contains extremely loud noises. This is not recommended to use headphones at night volumes during halfway through. This is a serious warning that shall be avoided. Oh, wow. Loading project. Wait, is this made on Scratch? I think it's made on Scratch. Yeah, it's made on Scratch. Okay, let's check out. Okay, you get those beats? Uh, Alright, I'm already liking this. Alright, we need some more percussion. Come on, Funbot. Come in here. Come join in the mix. Okay, that's adorable. The literal expressions that he's making. Those are my expressions. You're stealing my expressions. Ooh, the change up. The change up is crazy, bruh. Now let's check out. Ooh. Okay, Gray. I see you. Okay, why are you almost the same tone as the polos? Let's check out my favorite, personally. Yay, brud. My second favorite. My first favorite is Mr. Sun. Because what would we do without him? He's literally the reason why we're living right now. Oh, wow. Darnold, your visor is bigger. This guy always maintains his frazzled expression. And I read why he's always like this. I looked in the wiki and it says because Ratty over here hit him with a hammer. Ratty, why'd you do that? But it's also because he escaped a mental asylum. So that's concerning. This sounds so nostalgic, even though that I've never actually heard this a long time ago. Now it's time for everybody's favorite Sprunky, Mr. Sun. Oh, he looks so cute. Again, you're stealing my expressions, but that's okay. And the polos are also stealing my expression. Me always getting bored. Unique expressions, if I do say so myself. Oh my god. Why is Durple so... I guess it makes sense because he's a dragon. Durple is a dragon. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is so cool. Mr. Tree. I'm here once again with some spunky characters. Simon? Oh my god. I guess I shouldn't be surprised because I was expecting Simon to sound that good. And why do so many of these guys have antennas on their head? And Tunner, what you guys see under his hat is not hairs. Those 4 spikes that you see underneath his hat well, Tunner has 4 ears. Yeah, Tunner has a pair of ears on each side, giving him a total of 4 ears. Bro, what does bro need 4 ears for? Tanner, I'm basically you right now, questioning why you have so many ears.
The playtime so
Oh, you look so adorable! Sing with us, today has been so fun. Why don't you join and sing with us? Yeah, why don't you guys sing along? Especially you. I know you want to sing along. Maxie. Hey! Hey! Ooh, I like that echo at the end. Wait, hear this. Hey! Pinky? Lush vocals. Lush vocals. I love it. Wenda and Pinky do sound great together in every mod. Especially this one as well. Singing of this else we could use a little bit of percussion and some of the vocalists. I mean, making trumpet noises with your mouth is kind of vocalizing, right? Oh my god. Okay, are you guys ready for the... I probably shouldn't. But for the content, for the makers, for the views, I must. Huh? Why is he just a question mark? Oh, this is the stuff that happens in Scratch all the time, guys. Don't worry, am I not? Huh? What happened? What? What? What is going on? What is going... What? Uh-huh. Oh my... I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Do not wear headphones. Do not wear headphones. Yeah, I'm sorry to break it to you, Maxie, but you can't wear headphones for this one. And if you guys are confused on who I'm talking about, this Maxie dude that might seem confusing to y'all, then look at all my other videos. It's basically a YouTuber with a black cat. I'm not sure if Maxie is the cat or the human. Anyway, let's continue. Oh no! My phone is laggy. Oh my. Wait, who sounds like that? Darnold! Oh, poor guy. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, it's happening. It's happening. The charge up! Oh. They look like they're fine at first, but then they just. I wouldn't be surprised if they were looked so. Okay, never mind. I am surprised. I wasn't expecting him to look. Mr. Tree. Duh! And if you guys are wearing headphones, then that loud buzz, that wasn't me. It wasn't my fault this time. Mr. Magnet, and it was never my fault. It was Mr. Magnet for being too loud, and my brother for tampering with the volume control of Beatbox. Anyway, Linda. Oh my goodness. The background effect is in your eyes and mouth. Oh no. Well, you deserve this. Okay.